Chest sign and symptoms. When a patient presents with a cough, we must first establish whether it is an acute or a chronic cough. By acute, we mean a cough that had a sudden onset and may continue for a few days or weeks. By chronic, we mean either a cough that began insidiously without a previous invasion of wind and persisted for months or years, or one which began with an exterior invasion of wind and persisted for months or years. The same general principles apply to the sound of coughing, that is, it's a full condition, whereas a cough with a weak sound indicates an empty condition. Apart from this, a cough is loud and rich, and that sounds loose indicates damp phlegm in the lungs. A working cough that sounds loud indicates phlegm heat in the lungs. A persistent, loud, dry cough with the occasional expectoration of sputum in acute condition indicates residual dryness and phlegm in the lungs. A persistent, weak, dry cough with occasional expectoration of sputum in chronic condition indicates dry phlegm in the lungs. A persistent, dry, weak cough with a low sound indicates lung yin deficiency. In children, a barking loud cough coming in violent coughs with a characteristic whooping sound and often ending with vomiting indicates whooping cough. Our summary: loud sound, full condition; weak sound, empty condition; loud, rich, loose sound, damp phlegm in the lungs; barking cough with loud sound, phlegm heat in the lungs. Persistent, dry, loud cough with occasional expectoration or scanty sputum in acute condition; residual dryness and phlegm in the lungs after the invasion of wind, heat. Persistent, dry, weak cough with occasional expectoration of scanty sputum in chronic condition; dry phlegm in the lungs. Persistent, dry, weak cough with low sound, lung yin deficiency. Barking loud cough in violent bouts in children, whooping cough. Thank you for your attention.